Good afternoon, this is Shadi Dawi from TechX Media. I'm the Chief Program Director. How are you today? Hope you had a good day. Okay, one important marketing tool today I'm going to talk to you about it, which is short video content marketing. As we all know, video is one of the main components of content marketing. And to talk more about this, we need to probably do many videos. But to cut the story short, nowadays video content, and content is always the king, let me tell you, and it has been and it will always be the king. Therefore, video is one of the most successful and trendy content marketing. As we all see nowadays on Instagram, if we open and we see sponsored ads, it's all about short video promo marketing. This applies for all types of marketing, for brands, for image branding, for trading company, for different businesses. Short video marketing is important because first it is short. Usually the length of the video is between 30 seconds and 1 minute. Shouldn't be more than 1 minute 30 seconds to a max. We all know because people don't watch longer videos, and let me specify more precisely. People don't watch longer video, like in 70%, 80% of people, of consumers, they prefer videos less than 1 minute. Number two, you need to ensure that you promote all the different types and aspects of your brand. Number three, you have to do it in educational matter. It is important to educate people and consumers about our brand. That's something very important. Number four, we need to use definitely high-tech cameras, and the video needs to be Ultra HD and 4K, whatever, but what I want to say, it has to be of a very good quality, high resolution, so you can use it and post it on YouTube and different social media platforms. Last but not least, you need to use a very good understandable language, whether you're using English or Arabic or any other language. Make sure you don't complicate what you say, make it easy, just like what I'm doing right now. Even if your accent more or less is not perfect, what is important is to really transmit the information in an understandable way, so majority of consumers and people who will watch your video will understand it. I hope today this advice was beneficial to all of you. Stay tuned with me to tell you more about digital marketing and technology. Have a good day.